Oats facilitate weight loss due to their high fiber content, especially beta-glucan, which slows digestion and increases satiety. Oats are nutrient-dense, supplying essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants without excessive caloric intake. Oats help regulate blood sugar, preventing insulin spikes that can lead to increased fat storage. A 30-day dietary routine involves replacing high-calorie breakfasts with oatmeal. Oats can be used as a midday snack in the form of overnight oats with chia seeds and sliced banana. Dinner adjustments include smaller portions of carbohydrates and increased portions of vegetables and lean protein. For optimal weight loss, rolled oats or steel-cut oats are recommended over sugar-heavy instant varieties. Sugary toppings, such as chocolate syrups and excessive dried fruit, should be avoided to maintain the health benefits of oats. Portion control is crucial. Half a cup of dry oats is sufficient for one serving, complemented by adequate water intake and regular daily movement.